In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create videos with Google Whisk. We'll move from a blank canvas to an animated clip by generating subjects, crafting a scene, combining them, and bringing it all to life. I'll explain exactly what to click and offer prompt writing tips along the way so you get strong results on your first try. Start by opening your browser and heading to labs.google/fx. On that page, click Launch Whisk. When the Whisk interface loads, choose Enter Tool to open the main workspace where you'll build everything. Begin with your first subject. Click Subject, then click into the Enter Text field. Type a clear prompt describing what you want to see. Focus on the core idea and a few defining traits. For example, describe the object or character, key colors or materials, and an overall style or vibe. Specific, concise language helps the model lock onto your intent. When you're happy with the description, click Generate to create that subject. Add a second subject to enrich your story. Click the plus icon, click the text field again, and write a prompt for the new element. Keep it consistent with your first subject's style if you want them to match, or deliberately contrast them if that suits your concept. Click Generate to produce the second subject. Now, set the stage. Click Scene, then click the Enter Text field. Describe the environment that fits your subjects. Mention location, lighting, mood, time of day, and any standout details that convey atmosphere. A sentence or two is enough if you're precise. Click Generate to create the scene. Next, combine your elements. In the prompt area, tell Whisk to place your subject within the scene in a way that makes sense. Note the position, scale, and any interactions between elements. Think about composition here: foreground, background, and focal point. When the instruction looks good, click the forward arrow to generate the combined frame. It's time to animate. Click Animate to switch views, then type what you want to do with the image. Describe movement and timing in plain language, the subject's motion, camera moves like pan or zoom, and how the action should begin and end. Short, action-oriented phrases work best. When ready, click the forward arrow to generate the animation. If results aren't quite right, refine your prompt wording and regenerate. Change one detail at a time to see clear differences. With thoughtful prompts and a few quick iterations, you'll go from concept to polished motion in minutes. That's how to create videos with Google Whisk.